Good day, everyone. We are here to discuss natural disaster. First, I will introduce myself with my co-members. I am Ronald B. Bernales Jr. With my co-members, Arbasa, Sepra, and Rusal. Before we start, let me read Learning Objectives for this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you should able to describe the impacts of natural disaster and environmental change, explain the effect of natural disaster in the aspect of food and nutrition, and lastly, identify the association of lifestyle change and effect of natural disasters. When you say natural disaster, natural disasters are catastrophic events with atmospheric, geological, and hydrological origin that can cause significant damage and loss of life. We cannot entirely prevent natural disaster because it's caused by a or often caused by powerful geological, atmospheric, or hydrological processes that beyond human control. O sa or ata lang para mas maintindihan natin, hindi natin ito mapipigilan ng or pwede natin siya ma-prevent but dili entirely prevented because it's natural disaster or usa itong dumarating. One of the factor nga nganong we are prone of natural disaster because Philippines is nabilong din siya sa napil siya sa Pacific Ring. Examples of natural disasters are droughts, earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, and landslide. You can see at the picture, you can see the effect of droughts. You'll see that ang soil na kay nagliki-liki because of the extreme heat or kami tong extreme heat was a long time period. Isa sa factor nga nung makaranas ta o makakwantag drought because of the climate change because wala na tayo balance bitaw. Tas dapat tayo natawag El Nino. El Nino miya tanakan long term bitaw nga init. Una sa mga kwan wala na ulay dili bitaw wala tay ulan una makakosa unang naay tay drought. Ang luoy dyan ang isa sa mga luoy nganong maapektuhan sa drought kay kanang mga farmers lalo na kana bitaw kan kay matuyo ang luta ang yuta wala na sila matamnan. Next, natural disaster is floods or baha. We all know kapag magbaha because nadyo'y ulan, because sa heavy rain kanang suking nga ulan. One of the factors sa nung naibaha kay kana bitaw tungod na po sa tao, tungod na sa mga ginagawa daw doings by human like kanang pagboto sa kahoy, nating pag ulan na, wala na ito ma-absorb sa water, sikan sa water wala na kay ma-absorb, makalabang man to ang mga trees para ma-absorb sa water but tungod kay sa kapal lagi sa tao, gusto na power, nakat na trees kay tungod sana mga illegal, wala maka isa sa cause of mga floods. O man isa po sa cause of floods kay kana mga nabitaw mga basura nga magpataka ra og labay muna sa mga bara sa kanal muna luoy kay lalo sa mga cities man luoy jud kay sila kay kanang mabara bitaw niya bigbaha sila jud isa sa mga epektuhan sa floods. Ug also pod kana bitaw sagana po sa mga prone jud sa mga floods kay mga ano bitaw mga cities nga bitaw nga andol sa sapa bitaw nang nagkakon sa sapa or mga river or ano siya sa mga dali sa mga floods. Next disaster, natural disaster is and earthquakes. We all you can see at the picture that 7 point earthquakes at Mandalay, Myanmar. So kita nyo no, kaya jud kita ko kay epekto ang gano ang earthquake. Kita nyo no ang building kay nagkon siya no ning guho jud no. Og luod jud kayo. Di jud ta makaingon nga walay tawo ana nga na injured or namatay because you see at the picture nga like guba jud kayo. Muna is ang earthquake isa sa mga pinaka delikado bitaw. Kaya bitaw niya. Also ang earthquake magka-cause pa tsunami. Labi na ang earthquake bitaw dito bitaw siya namitong like ang kami taw ang fault line bitaw kay nasa dagat mo na isa na atoy tong di ko sure kung sa ato nagkakaroon ba og earthquake tong ay earthquake nakaroon na og kanang tsunami. So next picture is ay hurricanes or kanang yun no kana bitong hurricanes kay but di ba mahitabo na siya like nabi tay mga bagyo like kusog bitaw kayong hangin o kusog kayong ulan. So makita niyo no sa picture no luod jud kayo no mga nasalanta sa hurricanes no kay like no guba jud kay lang mabalay no. So dapat dili man to matotally prevent ang mga natural disaster dapat kita nga human kat kami total nabitaw tayo pangandam sa tong sarili, like dapat kita natin mga nabitaw in case na maabot na sila ready bitaw ta para dili bitaw ta luoy o like nabitaw tayo kana bitaw pangandam bitaw sa tong sarili like impakidaan like napa in emergency dapat makakuha dayon makaikyas lalo na sa mga prone bitaw kay nga area sa mga bagyo inana. Next. Next natural disaster is landslide. You can see the picture no dako jud kay no luoy jud kay ang kana bitaw naigo to sa dalan no naigo sa totally jud no pag down jud sa yuta dito jud nakuha sa dalan no ug nay mga naay na mga naepektuhan nga mga balay o kani pong mga sakyanan. You know that magkaroon jud landslide because of kanang heavy rains bitaw. Kana bitaw mag-ulan and then siyempre no pag suging ulan walay undang-undang humok bitaw ang yuta. And then one of the factors na kanang wala na po bitaw yung mga trees bitaw. Like wala na yung absorb ang kanang yuta man gud ang kanang mga growth bitaw sa dagkong nga kahoy pupugong do sa yuta. Ug when nga magkuha na naay mga heavy rains tas ana wala na makapugong sa yuta. Example bitaw kato bitaw nahitabo with sa Davao de Oro tong last nga naay bagyo bitaw ni ko sure kung sa aton nahitabo ba no nag-collapse no nidaghang king natabo na no to sa tunnel no. One of the panyapon causes nganong ay mga landslide because of human gyapon tungod sa to mga binuhatan sa tao because kato siya god kina-collapse ba ang ilalom kay syempre no ginahim ilamang na miningan nila so habuan nang wala na ikuan ang ilalom mo to pag kusog pag tama sa bagyo kusog kay ulan wala undang-undang mo tong nag-drop bitaw wala na siya kakaya nagkuan jud sa nag-collapse jud mo to luoy jud kayo atong mga pamilya bitaw nga nasa natabunan tong mga yuta sana pa matagaan bitaw nag-action po sa gobyerno inana bitaw nga mga panghitabo. Next disaster, natural disaster is next slides po. You can see the figure 1, hotel building Katabawan City that crumbled after a magnitude 6.5 earthquake hit North Cotabato Thursday morning of October 31, 2019. So makita na to no kusog ang lang like 6.5 mga earthquake no like dili bitaw siya nga dili ta maingon ba nga normal ano so kusog jud kay siya no so kita nyo ang building mo wala siya ganang yugyug maayo ba wala bitaw guba jud kayo so then in the figure 2 we can see a flooded downtown area in Tagigaraw City is flooded as the Cagayan River swells. So no, like I said earlier nga kana bitong sagaran sa mga prone bitaw sa mga flood kana yung nag-comment sa mga river bitaw like pag simpre no pag mag-ulan river mo labi na sa nga kuan kay baha karon yung nagbaha and then wala bitaw yung mga tarong nga kuan walay proper drainage walay kakwan sa tubig mo na yung magkakaroon jud og floods. Next. Types of disaster will be discussed by Tiffany Ran Rosalpo.
Now let's go to types of disaster. So, natural disaster are sudden and extreme event caused by natural forces that can lead to significant damage, loss of life, and disruption of communities. These disasters are categorized based on their origin, and the Philippines, due to its geographical location, is especially vulnerable to them. So the main categories includes next slide please. These are the categories: geophysical, hydrological, meteorological, and climatological. So let's go first to geophysical disasters. Next slide. So geophysical disaster, from the word geo, it is related to the earth, caused by earth internal process. So example of this is the volcanic eruption and the earthquake. So the example here is the earthquake in Kadapawan, which is earthquake means a sudden shaking of grounds caused by release of energy from within the earth. They happened along with the fault lines where tectonic plate met. And in Mount Canlaon, which is volcanic eruptions, means release of molten rocks or magma, ashes, and gases from the volcano, driven by the pressure of gas and magma. So these are often sudden and devastated, causing by widespread destruction of infrastructures and loss of life. Next. Balik sa. Okay. Next is the hydrological disasters. So it is related to water movement and disruption. Example of this is the flood, landslide, and avalanche. So hydrological disaster involve water. Flood and landslide are key example of this. Flood can submerge entire communities, while landslide can bury homes and infrastructures under tons of earth and debris. So both types are cause significant damage and displacement. Flood is an overwhelming water submerging dry land caused by heavy rain and overflowing of river. Landslide, it is a mass of rock debris or earth moving down a slope caused by the earthquake, while the avalanche, it is a rapid flow of snow down and a slope triggered by the heavy snow or wind. Next slide, please. Next is the meteorological disaster. It is driven by atmospheric and weather-related phenomenon. So these examples are hurricane, tornadoes, and heat waves. So meteorological disasters are weather-related. These categories includes the you can see in the pictures. So this event can cause extreme wind, heavy rainfall, flooding, and extreme temperature, leading to significant damage and loss of life. So hurricane, it is a large rotating storm systems with strong wind and heavy rains forming over warm oceans and water. Then tornado, it's a violently rotating columns of air extended from the thunderstorms to the ground. While the heat waves, it is a prolonged period of accessibility, hot weather often causing by health problems. And last is, next slide. Last is climatological disaster. It means it's a long-term climate-related hazard. Example of this is the drought, wildfire, and blizzard. So, climatological disasters are related to long-term climate patterns where drought and wildfires are proponent example. So, drought can lead to the crops failure, water shortage, and famine, while wildfire can destroy a vast areas of land and properties. So, what are these three? So drought is a long period of low rainfall causing water shortage. Wildfire is a luck-controlled fire of natural vegetation, often worsened by drought conditions, where drought makes wildfires more likely and severe. And blizzard is a severe snowstorm with a strong wind with 35 mph or more and low visibility less than a quarter or miles for at least 3 hours. So each type affect human lives and environment differently. Understanding these types help in disaster preparedness and reducing the risk of severe impact. So the Philippines, due to its geographical location, is highly vulnerable to many of these disaster types, particularly the typhoon, the earthquake, and the flood. So these types of disasters highlights the significant impact these events have on individuals, communities, and the environment, including the loss of life, displacement, damage to infrastructures, disruption of livelihood, and environmental degradation. However, it is also noted that natural disaster can sometimes lead to opportunity for community rebuilding and environmental reconstruction. So let's move on to its effect and impacts.
The effects of natural disaster. The aftermath of natural disaster poses significant challenges to both communities and governments, as often it leads to widespread disruption and long-term consequences. These events can displace large numbers of people, destroy homes and infrastructures, and result in the loss of lives and livelihoods. In addition to the human toll, natural disasters also have a severe impact on the environment, causing deforestation, soil erosion, water contamination, and destruction of ecosystems. The combined social, economic, and environmental damages can make recovery and building efforts complex and demanding. Natural disasters significantly disrupt people's lives in various ways. They often force individuals and families to leave their homes, leading to displacement and the need for temporary shelters or relocation. Livelihoods are destroyed as businesses, farms, and places of works are damaged or lost, leaving many without a source of income. Property damage can be extensive, with homes, schools, and public infrastructure severely affected or completely destroyed. Additionally, natural disasters frequently result in injuries and loss of life, placing immense emotional and physical strain on affected communities. These impacts can take years to recover from, especially in areas with limited resources. Impact of natural disaster in an individual. Natural disasters can have a deep and lasting impact on individuals, affecting not only their physical well-being but also their mental and emotional health. The suddenness and severity of such events can cause intense stress, anxiety, and trauma as people face the fear of losing loved ones, the shock of destruction, and uncertainty of what comes next. Beyond the emotional toll, natural disasters often result in the loss of essential resources such as food, water, shelter, and healthcare, forcing many to leave their communities in search of safety and stability. This kind of displacement can separate families and further disrupt lives, highlighting how the true impact of a natural disaster extends far beyond the immediate damage we can see. Natural disasters can affect people in many ways, physically, mentally, and emotionally. They can cause injuries, destroy homes, and leave people feeling scared, anxious, or heartbroken. But the damage doesn't stop there. When disaster hits, they often wipe out important resources like food, water, shelter, and medical care. Without these basic needs, people are sometimes forced to leave their homes and communities. This loss of resources is one of the main reasons why natural disasters often lead to migration. Impact of natural disaster on a community. Natural disasters often lead to significant economic losses for communities, damaging homes, businesses, and infrastructures, which makes recovery difficult. While some communities struggles, others see these events as opportunities to rebuild stronger and more resilient systems. In many cases, a portion of the population is forced to migrate in search of safety and basic needs. People often move to urban areas where access to jobs, clean water, and food is more reliable, hoping for better living conditions and stability after the disaster. When natural disasters damage establishments and houses, communities face major setbacks. The destruction of homes leave families without shelter, while the loss of businesses and infrastructure disrupts daily life and local economies. This makes recovery difficult, as rebuilding requires time, money, and resources that may be limited, especially in less developed areas. Now let's have Mr. Nervasa to discuss the impact of natural disaster on the environment.
Let's proceed to the impact of natural disasters on the environment. Natural disasters have positive and negative impacts in our environment. It can either totally destroy the environment or reconstruct it after the disastrous event. Natural disasters can defoliate the forest, destroy the habitat of various species, cause erosion in riverbanks, and a whole lot of more. So natural disasters have positive and negative. It can be destruction in our environment, or it can lead to improvement in our environment. Natural disasters like wildfires, typhoon, and flood can impact the forest or the habitat, which can lead to the alteration of the forest and habitat loss, which can lead to the extinction and displacement of animals and plant species. And for riverbanks, if kanang grabe ang pag-ulan, it makes the soils soft and it can lead to erosion. And erosion in riverbanks can cause can change the direction of river flow, and it can lead to another disaster like flood, and can affect the urban area and natural disasters are not just considered as endings, but also beginnings. A second chance to begin again and reconstruct the surrounding to avoid the disastrous event from happening. Now, in the other hand, if we look into the positive side, the devastation caused by natural disasters can lead to improvements in building, disaster preparedness, and the development of more resilient infrastructure design to withstand future disaster events. Also, major disaster can raise public awareness about environmental risk and the importance of conservation. This increased awareness can lead to greater investment in disaster preparedness, environmental protection, and sustainable development practices. So let's move to the impact of natural disaster on food production. Agriculture is greatly affected by natural disaster. It has an effect on livelihoods and food security. According to a study done in 2015, droughts have caused a great loss and damage. And 80% of affected the agriculture sector, especially the livestock and crop production. Floods also cause more than half of the total damage and loss to crops. The fisheries were overwhelmingly affected by tsunamis and storms such as hurricanes and cyclones. The study clearly depicts that natural hazard, especially those extreme weather events, regularly impacts the agriculture and hamper the eradication of hunger, poverty, and the achievement of sustainable development. So, drought is a major consequence of climate change, severely impact crop yields. Similarly, for floods and typhoon, it caused massive damage to crops. Way back November 2024, Typhoon Pipito fall and hit the Panganiban Catanduanes, which massively caused the agriculture with a total of 266 million pesos damage. These events disrupt the planting cycles, damage crops directly, and destroy infrastructure crucial for agriculture. Also, droughts severely impact livestock, leading to animal deaths due to lack of water and food. Floods can also cause significant livestock losses through drowning and destruction of grazing lands and shelters. For fisheries, tsunamis, hurricanes, and cyclones inflict devastating damage on its infrastructure, such as boats, and disrupt fishing activities for extended periods. Furthermore, storms can damage coastal aquaculture operations, which further reducing fish supplies. And now let's proceed to the natural preparedness, natural disaster preparedness. It is important that we are prepared for potential disaster depending on our location. Having an emergency supply kit and an emergency plan are two basic steps to be prepared. Emergency plan provides a framework for coordinated action during emergency, reducing panic and confusion. By identifying safest spaces within the home and establishes clear evacuation routes, the plan significantly increases the chance of survival. And a well stock of emergency supply kit is crucial for meeting needs in the immediate aftermath of disaster. The kit should include sufficient food and water for several days, and along with first aid supplies and communication devices, including items like a battery-powered radio, flashlights, and extra batteries are also essential to ensure access to information. Beside emergency supply kit and emergency plan, training and drills, communication plan, evacuation plan, and community involvement are also important in terms of preparing for disasters. Training skills like first aid and CPR equip us to provide immediate medical assistance, while fire and earthquake safety training and drills improve our ability to react safely during the disasters. Also, a well-defined communication plan is essential for maintaining contact with family members and emergency services during disasters. A detailed evacuation plan is crucial for ensuring a safe and efficient escape from hazardous area. This involves identifying escape routes from home and planning transformation methods. And lastly, participating in barangay and municipality or even in school preparedness programs and exercises significantly enhance overall community resilience by engaging with local emergency service and participating in drills. We gain valuable knowledge and skills while also contributing to a more prepared and resilient community. And that's all for my part, and this will be the end of our discussion about natural disasters.
You can answer this assessment by commenting below. That's all for today. So everyone, thank you for listening. I hope you learned what is natural disaster and the types of disaster and how you prevent it in your community. That's it for today. Bye-bye.